Welcome back, folks. So I'm starting on the hood reinstallation process, and of course, before I can put the hood back on with the hood latches, I need to make sure I've got the releases lined up and everything working. Otherwise, it's going to be super hard to get the hood off, if not impossible. So after researching and asking some Corvette buddies, and thanks Mark Durbin for a couple pictures of the driver's side of the hood latch release mechanism. Down here, he sent me a couple pictures from his 71 because we basically have the same car, except his is a hardtop. But I'm going to install the hood release. Of course, I got a new one because the old one was just completely roached. So I'm going to install that, and then I need to get that installed. I need to get these aligned, and I just went to Home Depot, and I thought I had the solution perfectly because after getting the measurements, I found this, which is a 3/4 to 1/2 inch PVC. Costs $1.98 at Home Depot. So it turns out that this part is just a tiny bit too big to fit into the hood. The hood latch opening. So I'm taking one of these little sanders for the Dremel. I shoved it inside there, and then I can stick it on the Dremel like this and spin it around and sand it. So that's what I'm doing. But then all I have to do is shove this into the hood opening, and then I can lower the hood and with these loose, and that'll come down and automatically align this. And then I just tighten it down and these are aligned. There is, I guess, a Corvette hood alignment tool that you can buy or you can make, but I think this is about the easiest and cheapest path forward for me right now. And we'll see how it works. Okay, a couple things on the hood release. First of all, it just mounts up into those two holes, and this handle goes in this orientation, and it is limited in the way it can rotate, so it just goes in a certain way, and then it runs up this cable and it goes up through there. There's a rubber, should be like a rubber grommet sleeve, and it comes out up into the engine compartment, up through that, just like a hole actually, and it comes out, and then you're gonna go through that hole, through this hole right here, and then to finish, you need one of those little brass wire end holder deals. I don't know what it's called. It's like a little brass sleeve with a little bolt in it, and you tighten it down. And I can't find one at the moment, so I'm going to leave this alone and move on to something else. So I think what I'll do also, and this is related, before I get a lot of stuff hooked up here, I want to go through all these fuses and replace them. So I have a box of fuses. I'm just going to go one by one and replace those before we continue with the hood release. There we go. All new fuses, all cleaned up. I cleaned up all the connectors. I just used this pack from Harbor Freight of automotive glass fuse assortment. So hopefully they're okay and not garbage. The only one I didn't replace was a little baby guy right there, because I don't have a replacement size for that, so I might get to that later. But okay, fuse box is done. Let's get back to the hood release. Okay, we're ready to insert the hood release lever and cable. Now it's really important, you guys, when you get to putting this in, you get the end there, see? And you got to get it just perfectly aligned, because it's got to go right into that. So what you do is you just get it You just easily, it's really easy to just hang in there. It's like your first time, you know, remember that? Nope, that's not it. Nope, wrong one. Uh-oh. Don't give up. Oh, I thought I had it. Just keep going. You'll get it. Don't worry. Oh, it's getting hot now. It's easier than it looks, though. Don't worry about it. You'll get it. Just keep. You can get it. Don't worry. It's gonna go. Any second. Sometimes it helps to blow on the tip. Oh my God, I set you guys up for that one, didn't I? Don't worry. It's not that hard. It's gonna go in. Don't worry. You guys still watching this? Why? Why? Nothing better to do. Oh my God. Okay, hang on. I need to change the camera angle. I think this is some of my best work, actually, from a video perspective. From a storytelling perspective. Because it's building a lot of tension, you know, and that's just good storytelling. Oh my God, you gotta be kidding me. Gotta do circles. Is it plugged? I had it in here. Okay, let's get this. Let's make an adjustment. Wouldn't it be funny if there was like an ad right now? Oh my God. Gotta be kidding. I just don't understand how. Take a deep breath. Go easy. You gotta be gentle. Don't be too anxious. Don't be in a hurry. Oh How is this possible? Oh! Oh my God. Oh, I think what you wanna do is get the cable in. It's going in. Oh my God. Okay, it's curved. That's why it's a little hard to push in now. Okay, guys. Well, there you go. That's the installation. Thanks for watching. Tune in next time.